Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. So last Saturday, Canada finally have the release of the Black Cement 3. Yes, it's been 7 years that we've been waiting for these. The last release was 2011, and now finally we have another retro of this classic and very iconic shoe. I tried to copy it online at 3 AM with my friend. We tried clicking, keep adding the cart, but it's just not working out for me. It went sold out, and we just decided to drive to Foot Locker at 3 AM in the morning and camp out all night for these ones. Even though everyone was saying these are GRs, you can find it anywhere, they will be sitting in the malls, but we just don't want to take any chances. So back to the shoe here. The Jordan 3 is the first model that they ditched the wing logo and they went with the Jumpman logo. And it's also the model that Tinker Hatfield had created for Michael Jordan, because at that time, he was actually thinking of moving over to the Adidas. Lucky Tinker was here. He created Jordan 3 with the iconic elephant print, as you can see on the paper here, as well as printed on the shoebox. And Jordan was very happy with the design and how that he could see through the air bubble with the Jordan 3. Back then, it was a very new thing and innovative design. And let's take a look at the shoe. The first thing you notice is the shoe tag. This one has the iconic OG Nike Air tag. Compared to the model I have last year, which is a True Blue 3, it uses the Jumpman Air tag. I still don't understand that. The shoe itself says Nike Air in the back and they put Jumpman on it. Now the second thing that a lot of people will ask is, how's the leather? How's the leather? Everyone wants to know how's the quality of the material. So this one I could tell you that it is definitely soft. It is not shattered backboard, it is not like the Brad ones, but it is much softer than what we had last year on the True Blue 3, and it is very consistent as well. I don't have different leather from left shoe to the right shoe. Here you can see the True Blue 3 are really hard, and when you push into it, it doesn't crease as much compared to the Black Cement. It's very consistent. It has creasings on it already naturally, and it's just soft. And at the back you have the iconic Nike Air right there. No more Jumpman Air like the 2011 model. Now let's take a look at the elephant print right here. It is a little bit higher and it looks like more like a triangle compared to the OG. I don't mind that too much, but the print itself, it looks like it is almost like engraved on it. Take a look at last year model. It looks more like a printed, it's flat, and this year model, you see it's almost engraved on it. It's more dimensional onto it. Look at that, and look at the color difference. This year's more of a gray color. Last year has a little bit of yellowish to it. And let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe. We have the Nike on it instead of the Jordan. And let's take a look at the tongue right now. It is a synthetic leather, and the Jumpman's embroidery is super nice. There's no butt crack on it like the old ones. And the ankle area is super plush. It seems thicker than the older models. I'll have to compare it with the True Blue to see how it's different from the other one. Here's the shoe label. This is a pair of 10.5. Production date was in 2017 in July. And let's take a look at the shoe tree. Okay, same ones, the standard one with the Jumpman. And that's pretty much it for the left shoe. Let's take a look at the right shoe to see how consistent it is. So first thing you notice, the leather, it is the same. The elephant print is slightly different. Let me compare it for you. The left and the right one is slightly different. I find the left one more natural, it's slightly thinner, but the right one is nothing bad. You still have that engraved feeling to it, that it's more 3D than the True Blue 3, which is like more flat looking and more of a printed material. And again, I keep saying that the leather quality is on point. It is consistent on both shoes. I don't have a left shoe that's very different from the right one. And here you can see in the ankle area that the Black Cement is actually thicker than the True Blue 3. And another thing that I've noticed here is on the tongue material. Even though it's a synthetic leather, the Black Cement is actually better, just like everything else about the shoe. So in overall, I'm super satisfied with the shoe. It's very nice, good quality, and it's an iconic model. Was it worth the camp out? I would say yes. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. We've heard rumors saying that there's a Taxi 12 coming in, as well as the Shadow 1 coming in soon. So what's your thought on that? Let me know in the comment section below. And last thing, please remember to subscribe if you have not already. And until next time guys, bye bye.